In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Loop, a collaborative app designed to enhance your productivity. Let's get started on this quick and straightforward process. First, you'll want to open the Windows Store on your computer. The Windows Store is your go-to hub for downloading apps, games, and other digital content to help expand your device's capabilities. You can easily find it by clicking the Start button on your desktop and scrolling through your list of apps, or simply typing Windows Store in the search bar. Once you've located it, click to open it up. Now that the Windows Store is open, let's move on to the next step, which is searching for Microsoft Loop. In the Windows Store, you'll see a search bar at the top right corner. Click on it and type Microsoft Loop, then press Enter. This will pull up a list of results related to your search. Make sure that you select the official Microsoft Loop app, which should be prominently displayed as one of the top results. Double-check the app details to ensure it's the correct one. Once you've found Microsoft Loop, you're ready to proceed with downloading it. You'll see a button labeled Get or Install next to the app. Click on this button to begin the installation process. It's important to note that you might need to be signed into your Microsoft account to proceed, so if you're not already logged in, the store will prompt you to do so. This is a seamless process and only takes a moment. With the Install button clicked, the Windows Store will handle the download and installation of Microsoft Loop for you. Now comes the final, but still crucial, part of the process, following the prompts. Depending on your specific system settings, you may need to confirm a few additional security prompts, such as granting the app permission to install on your device. Just follow the on-screen instructions and agree to any necessary terms or permissions to proceed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, Microsoft Loop should be downloading onto your device, making collaboration and content sharing more intuitive and efficient. Once the installation completes, you can locate Microsoft Loop in your list of apps, where you can click to open it and start exploring its features. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're ready to get started with Microsoft Loop. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.